Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by checking the essentials. Confirm your Oneplus model and Android version so you know compatibility, then open Settings and head to Apps. Next, find the current phone app entry and tap Default Apps to begin switching. This ensures system routing and permissions behave correctly. Once done, if the Google phone app isn't present, install or update it from Play Store, or sideload a trusted APK only after enabling install from unknown sources briefly. Now you change the default. Open Default Apps, choose Phone app, and pick Google Phone to route calls there. This swaps dialer and call handling immediately. Make sure to grant runtime permissions, contacts, microphone, call logs, SMS, because without them calling features and caller ID will break. Then open the Google Phone app and configure caller ID and spam, voicemail, and notifications so behavior matches what you expect. Doing this now prevents missed calls or silent notifications later. Finish by testing. Place and receive calls, check recent calls and voicemail, and confirm contact search works. This validates the switch. If you see crashes or missed calls, force stop the Google Phone app and clear cache, then reopen. If issues persist, reinstall or revert to the Oneplus dialer. If permissions or defaults are stubborn, reset app preferences in Settings apps. This resolves most conflicts without a factory reset, which should be your last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.